So I got this on the Facebook Marketplace for a really, really good price. And it's a little exhaust pipe for my Ninja 250. And it's going to replace this one, because this one is ugly. Although it's stock, it's in decent shape, but it doesn't sound great. And we'll see how that new one works on this little dude. So this assembly looks like we just take off that this heat shield. There's that bolt, and then under here there's just the exhaust bolt, and it should just be a matter of popping that off and put the new one on. But we'll see if we run into any surprises as we do this. I'll put you guys up on a stand. Okay, so we got these two, as far as I can tell, 5mm Allen head bolts. Put you guys here. This should expose the what do they call it, exhaust clamp, I think, or not. There's a 8mm right there. I think that's what that's for. That's what that would be for. And it clamps back there. Just take this bolt all the way out. It's squeaking. Comes up the back. Now what's left? There would be a hose clamp. Seems like. And that hose clamp might be holding on. Yeah, it looks like it is. So let's get that back on. Alright, so I loosened that guy up and I let this fall. So we'll take this guy off now. This guy here, I don't want to take that all the way out. Sometimes they're just a pain in the butt to get back in. So that looks to be maybe a 12 for the exhaust clamp, and it is. Loose. Then we move up to this one. I need an extension. And 14mm. This guy. There's a nut back there. Okay. it's free now. And we'll just, there we go. Pop him out. Get out of there. Set that guy aside, then we can slide this guy out. This was holding onto the hose clamp here. I need to open this guy up a little bit. Must have fit through there. Now let's go grab our new pipe. Here's a new pipe. And it's gonna go right here. Doesn't quite fit. I'll have to fab something to attach it from here to there. But for now it'll be fine. It's just gonna sit up like that. Doesn't look terrible. Just hooking this little spring clamp up. Pliers. Okay, fair warning, this pipe, this exhaust was made for a Ninja 3 or 400, and obviously it's not meant to fit this bike. It does fit this bike, but it doesn't fit all the mounting points, as you can see. But for now, we're going to play with this the way it is. So I will grab my pliers, connect this spring clamp to there. And the exhaust clamp there. It's light enough and small enough. I don't even think it needs a support. And if we do need a support, I can use this and fab something up, or come from here. But for now, I like it this way. Another true test is to see how it'll sound. I'm gonna go from before . To after. All right, there you go. Leo Vinci exhaust on a Ninja 250 in, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Awesome. Have a good day. Okay, so I couldn't leave well enough alone. I took the passenger pegs off. I made this super custom bracket with the Kawasaki logo, and so that's what she looks like now. I like it. It sounds cool. It looks cool. And it was super cheap thanks to Facebook Marketplace. Yeah. Okay, now, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.